Every open pit mine begins as an idea, a vision to extract valuable minerals from beneath the surface. Before a single rock is moved, detailed planning shapes the future of the project. Geologists start by studying the deposit. Drill samples reveal the size, shape, and grade of the ore body. This data forms the foundation of the mine design. Engineers create a 3D model, mapping where high-value ore sits in relation to waste rock. The goal is to maximize recovery while keeping costs and safety in check. Pit slopes are designed carefully. Too steep, and the walls could collapse. Too shallow, and the project wastes time and money. Each phase is planned to safely reach deeper ore. Haul roads must be wide and gently sloped. They allow giant haul trucks to carry ore out efficiently. Road placement is optimized to shorten travel distances and fuel use. Mining schedules guide when and where to dig. Blending high and low-grade ore keeps production steady for years. The final design balances economics, safety, and environmental impact. It creates a mine plan that can operate efficiently, profitably, and responsibly. Open pit design is more than just digging a hole. It's engineering on a massive scale, built to unlock the Earth's resources. Like and subscribe to dig into mining topics every week.